This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your system. Create a system restore point and export the registry so you can undo changes. Once done, sign in with an administrator account and close non-essential apps to avoid locked keys. Open Registry Editor, regedit, and navigate to areas you need to inspect. You'll learn how to target leftover entries and avoid critical hives. Make sure to confirm each export completes. This prevents irreversible damage and speeds up the next steps. You now focus on locating problematic entries. Use regedit search to find leftover keys from uninstalled apps, driver remnants, and invalid file associations. When you find a suspect key, export that key to a reg file, then delete it. This gives you a rollback. Make sure to avoid keys under hkey local machine /system or hkey users unless you know their role. Once you've removed entries, run auto runs and a trusted cleaner to cross-check and confirm no startup or COM references remain. Finish by rebooting and testing the system for normal behavior. If problems show up, boot into safe mode and assess services and startup items. Make sure to import any exported reg file or use the system restore point to revert changes if needed. If Windows reports registry corruption, run system file checker, sfc/scano, and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system files. One key troubleshooting tip. If an app
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.